Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in the Zoom mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, you'll see several options at the bottom of your interface. Tap on Chat to access your messaging area. This is where all your direct messages and channels are organized, making it easy to communicate with your team or colleagues. Now, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 dots there, which represent the menu options for this section. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots to reveal additional features. From the menu that appears, tap on New Channel. This option allows you to create a dedicated space where multiple people can collaborate and share messages in one organized thread. Next, you'll see a field where you need to enter your channel name. Tap on this designated field and type in the name you want for your channel. Choose something clear and relevant so members know exactly what the channel is for at a glance. Right below the channel name field, you'll see options to select your channel type. Here you can choose whether you want your channel to be public or private. A public channel means anyone in your organization can find and join it, while a private channel restricts access to only those you invite. Select the option that best fits your needs. Once you've configured your channel name and type, look at the upper right corner again and tap Next. This takes you to the member selection screen where you can add people to your new channel. Now you'll see a list of your contacts. Tap on the name of the person you want to add to this channel. If you have multiple contacts you'd like to include, you can select multiple names from this list. This makes it easy to build your team or group all at once without having to add people one by one later. After you've selected all the members you want to include, tap Create in the upper right corner. The app will now process your request and set up your new channel with all the settings and members you've configured. And there you have it. Your new channel is now created and ready to use. You can start messaging immediately by tapping the text field at the bottom of the channel. Additionally, if you want to add more context to your channel, you have the option to add a description or invite more members later on. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.